If you use your dishwasher a lot, like we do in our house, over time, the plastic wheels on the bottom rack are going to start getting brittle and fall apart. So instead of calling a repairman, I went and bought these replacements. I already opened up the package here, but they come in a package of 4 with 2 wheels on each. Now, you can see this is what it looks like. And I've got over here one of my old ones where the wheels have fallen off, and you can see they look identical. So let me show you how it's done. Here I've already taken out the rack from the bottom of my dishwasher, and you can see that my wheels are in pretty bad shape. One has fallen off completely. I have one just sitting on here and it just falls off and essentially drags. So let's take off these old wheels. It's very easy. Let me turn this to see if you can get a good look. But there is a tab that you push right here and right here that will release it. If you can't do it with your fingers, maybe you get a screwdriver or something like that. But for me, I should be able to do this just pushing with my fingers. One's off and the other's off, just like that. So here we are. And now I'll get the new one and we'll put that on. So here we can see a wheel that I've already installed. This assembly, you see this bar lines up right here, and this piece right here is where this bottom bar clips into. And the third thing that you want to pay attention to are these 2 tabs. They need to hook behind this second bar. So let's show you how it's done. So I make sure that I'm lined up with this, hook these in, and you always are a little higher than you want to be. So then I lower it a little bit until they're right where they need to be. And then all you do is just squeeze, and you could hear that click. Just easy with my hand. It went right into place, and now it's secure. Now with these new wheels installed, I can roll it in just like when it was new. What I really liked about these wheels is that, number one, they were easy to install. And as you saw earlier, they were easy to get off. The old ones were easy to remove. And lastly, I like the fact that they're made entirely of plastic, heat-resistant plastic, so that you don't need to worry about rust in your dishwasher. Hopefully this helped, and we'll see you in the next video.